Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here's the seafood news for the week of May 20th, 2013. The issue of the U.S. anti-dumping duty on catfish is far from over. Earlier this year, the U.S. imposed hefty anti-dumping duties against Vietnamese Pangasius exporters. The average duty to Vietnamese companies is 25 times higher than previous rates. Vietnam immediately rejected the anti-dumping duty and warned they would fight the increased duty in court. The Vietnam Association of Seafood Exporters and Producers reports that 16 Vietnamese Pangasius exporters have lodged a complaint against the U.S. Department of Commerce. The lawsuit will be held in the Court of International Trade and may last several years due to the complexity of the issue. The Copper River salmon fishery opened at 7 a.m. Thursday, May 16th for a 12-hour period. Heavy winds threatened to prevent fishing with forecasts for gale-force winds. A revised forecast calling for winds to 30 miles an hour gave the fleet the green light to set their gear in pursuit of the prized Copper River salmon. The first air shipment of Copper River salmon landed in Seattle Friday morning. Alaskan Airlines reports they have added more scheduled flights to ensure the prized fresh fish arrives at the market. The harvest limit for the fishery is 1.3 million sockeye, which is just slightly up from the 2012 harvest limit of 1.2 million fish. The harvest limit for Chinook stayed the same from 2012 to 2013 at 20,000 fish. Fishing where possible will begin each Monday at 7 a.m. Assessment of the catch will be made, and an announcement regarding a second fishery that would open Thursday at 7 a.m. will be made each Wednesday. The market for early Copper River fish is highly variable and prices will be very unstable. Early industry talk is Chinook prices over the weekend are expected to be in the high $17 range to the low of $17 to low 18 range, and sockeye prices in the mid to high $12 range. Copper River fish are prized by culinary enthusiasts for its richness of flavor and overall quality. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.